Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I will talk today about the first project Zero in web programming with Python and JavaScript. Project Zero request was to replicate 3 pages of Google, which is Google search. As we see here, this is the main page of Google, Google image search, and advanced search. Let's talk about the first page, which require to type any query and check if Google search button is working fine, and I'm feeling lucky as well. To test the first page, let's type here, for example, cybersecurity, Google search, and here we go. Now let's try I'm feeling lucky. Let's talk about, for example, what we will check. Okay, let's check edX. I'm feeling lucky. Okay, here we can go to edX.org or return to previous page. Now let's check on Google Images search. Here, for example, if we choose Vapresso, which is a vaping device, image search, we can see that it's take us directly to the image search at Google, giving the result, exact result we searched for. Let's go back. Try another things. Let's say vape breakfast. Also same, it takes us directly to the use related to vape. It means it's working fine. Now let's go back to Google search main page and let's check the advanced search button pages. Here we replicate the advanced Google search according to requirement in project Zero. We need to imply all these 4 search. Let's try the first one. Let's type Information Security International Institute. No. Let's type, for example, BTM. Let's see. Take us to BT, Advanced Operation and Maintenance. Okay. Let's try here, for example, the exact word or phrase. ISO 20001. Give us directly to the new ISO. Let's try any of these words. Cormasso, which is a coffee capsule, or hazelnut, it's one of the flavors. It gives us here hazelnut, and also it gives us here Gormasso. Let's go back. Let's try none of these words. Let's say rodent, advanced search, and it's okay. Let's go back. So this is the project Zero, how it's working. The appearance is almost look like Google's as required by the project Zero. Thank you for everything, and hope this will be fulfill all the requirement requested by project Zero. See you another time. Thank you.